I was in the Mayo Clinic for 5 months in 2012. I had stage 4 lymphoma. You know, it was likely I might not have made it, and they give you the strongest chemo that you can get without killing you, basically. I had a lot of problems before I came here. Bone loss and losing teeth, and so I had to get implants. And I went to a place locally, and I got implants on the top that a denture snaps onto, and the implants failed, so they had to remove them. And it was really pretty depressing because I didn't know what else I could do at that point. Someone recommended coming to Dr. Wilhelm's, that they had been here. So I came to see him, and we went over what I had going on, and he said, "I think we can do this for you." He's really down to earth, so while he's working on you, you can chat with him. If you have any questions, he's really good about explaining things. He's just very well-rounded in every way.
When I met Shelly, we went ahead and placed new implants and then made her new teeth that attached to the implants on the bottom.
Life since that is just heavenly, especially if you've had dental problems your whole life, which usually always involves a lot of pain. Now I'm to the point where I have nothing to worry about, but it's just night and day now. Having my smile now is a confidence booster.